As I mentioned before, on Google Trend, we have the ability to compare up to 5 keywords, up to 5 phrases at the same time and see the result. So you can either go to Google and search for Google Trend, or come here and click on this link here, Google Trend. It will open the Google Trend here for you. And let's make a practice. Let's compare the keywords that we have selected here and see how it will work. Write down your first keyword and just press enter. And here it will give you some information about, for example, here we have digital marketing course, right? It will give you some general information about this keyword in different periods of time. From 1 to 100, it is showing us how was the search result, right? For example, on 22 of July till 28, it was, for example, 35, and on August 12, okay, on August 12 it was 100, right? So the top one, it is just showing from 1 to 100 for us to be able to compare, right? On the next part, we have interest by sub-region. As you can see, for example, here it is showing us which cities had the most search volume. As you can see, for example, New York, Kansas, California, Florida, etc., etc. One thing here at the top, as you can see, we can come and select the region, right? You can select worldwide, or select in a specific country and search there. For example, if you have a local business, or if your target is only in one country, you have an online product, you want to sell it only in one place, one country, you can come and search for only that place. Let's just click on worldwide and let's see how. As you can see, the result is completely changed and it is more stable. Now, after that, we have the period of time that we can select: past 4 hours, past days, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 5 years, etc. Also, you can select a specific category, right? Art and entertainment. Let's come down. For example, let's say digital marketing course is inside education. Let's select education if we find it here. All right, here it is, job and education. Again, you see the result change. The next part is web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, YouTube search, etc. But our target here is web search, so we will let it be on that. As you can see, interest by region is changed. Before it was on United States, now we put it on worldwide, and it is showing us the top countries. If you come down, you see related topics, related queries. Again, you can get some good ideas from here, but let's skip all these and go for comparing the different keywords. So the next keyword is learn digital marketing, and again, press enter. Let's just import all of them together. Digital marketing training, and the last one is online digital marketing. So as you can see, it is pretty much obvious that, for example, learn digital marketing is not a good keyword for us to work on, to spend our time, to invest on it. This third one, it was digital marketing training. Digital marketing training. It's better than the previous one, but we have the other two are much better. So we can either go with digital marketing course or online digital marketing. These two keywords have a better potential for us to become successful at and get a better result, right? Also, you can come down, you see some of the information here is changed, compared, breakdown by region. Again, you can come down, digital marketing course, it is giving us the region, the interest by region, and also related queries, etc., etc. You see, there are a lot of good information here, and you can compare your keywords. So this was how you can use Google Trend to compare your keywords. Now, what you should do right now, just as a practice, go to Google Trend and compare some of the top keywords that you have. Select, for example, one or two. For example, here we can select these two and remove the ones that we are sure they are not good for our web page. And again, go back to your list, for example, and add 2 or 3 or more keywords, and again compare them. Do this over and over until you find the top 5 keywords, the top 10 keywords out of your list. All right, so that was all about Google Trend, and we have to come back here in our checklist. We didn't check Keyword Planner, we check now. Then we have Google Trend, and on the next part we are going to talk about a very interesting extension which is called Mouse Bar. Right, so see you on the next one.